In this quick guide, you'll learn how to use Gusto Wallet, a handy tool for managing your payroll, pay stubs, and tax documents with ease. Whether you're new to Gusto Wallet or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through the essential steps to help you make the most of its features. Let's start by navigating to the Pay tab. You'll find this located in the left-hand menu of your Gusto Wallet dashboard. This tab is your gateway to all things related to your earnings. Once you click on it, you'll be able to access all the information you need about your paychecks, including detailed breakdowns of each pay period. Now that you're in the Pay tab, you can click on any individual pay date. This action allows you to delve into your pay stub breakdowns. It's a great way to see exactly how your earnings are distributed. You'll find the details of your deductions, which can include things like health insurance premiums or retirement contributions. Plus, you can verify your tax withholdings, ensuring that everything is accurate for each pay period. This transparency is essential for budgeting and financial planning, giving you confidence in your financial management. Next, let's move on to accessing your tax forms. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a section labeled Documents. Go ahead and click on it to open up a treasure trove of your historical tax documents. This section is invaluable come tax season or whenever you need to reference past tax filings. You can view or download these documents at your convenience, making it easier to keep your records organized and accessible. As you explore Gusto Wallet, remember that its intuitive design is meant to simplify your financial tasks, saving you time and effort. You can return to these sections as often as needed to ensure your records are up to date and accurate. If you ever find yourself needing help or have questions about specific features, Gusto Wallet offers support resources to assist you further. By following these simple steps, you're now equipped to navigate Gusto Wallet like a pro. You'll enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having your payroll and tax documents at your fingertips anytime you need them. Whether you're checking your most recent paycheck or preparing for tax season, Gusto Wallet is here to streamline your financial management. Thank you for watching this guide on how to use Gusto Wallet. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Remember, managing your payroll and tax documents doesn't have to be complicated. With Gusto Wallet, everything is organized and accessible, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.